Hello guys, Tony here, Explore Crypto channel, and recently I was participating in the Bitbox version 2 beta program, so I will be speaking today about this great hardware wallet. Let's start the video. So as I said in the intro, recently this small hardware wallet came in the mail for me. I'm in the Bitbox beta version testing program. I was in the beta testing program because the product Bitbox version 2 is already released. It's available in the shop of the Shift Cryptosecurity company, the creators of Bitbox. That's the company from the Switzerland. They are creating hardware wallets, some security applications for Bitcoin. One of their co-creators is one of the biggest Bitcoin core developers by contribution. So yeah, it's a legit company, and few cool people are working there. So if you guys don't know Shift Cryptosecurity, follow them on Twitter. I will put the links in the description below. But today the video about Bitbox. So I'm super stoked about this hardware wallet. I had it in the adapter. So this hardware wallet is a bit different than others, I would say. Like the screen is completely different than other hardware wallets. I will show everything in the video later on, but the screen is different. How they are like guiding their users to secure the seed is a bit different than other manufacturers. Also, like, it doesn't have like physical buttons. It has the SD card slot here. Maybe it will be visible or maybe not, but yeah, it has the micro SD card slot for the backups, maybe in future for some total air gapping, like with partially signed Bitcoin transactions or things like that. We'll see. But yeah, this company Shift Cryptosecurity is on the market for a long time. They created the Bitbox version 1. I created a video about it here. I will post it here on the screen. So if you guys are interested in how the version 1 looked like, it's available there. But honestly, like, there is a huge progress. Like, version 1 didn't have the screen. It was a bit clunky, and yeah, version 2 is total upgrade. So it will came to you if you order it. It will came to you to your door nicely packaged. So packaging, the plastic foil rather tamper proof. It would be really hard to cut it through without any marks, like, so I would say it's very tamper proof. Inside, as always with Shift Crypto packaging, a lot of quality. I received the beta version for all supported currencies. Obviously would love the Bitcoin only version, as Shift Crypto is providing this version alongside Shitcoin 1 on their store. So there are two versions, Shitcoin 1 and Bitcoin only. Inside we do have an easy to read instruction, extension USB-C cable, sticker pack, and damn, this sticker pack is heavy from the amount of stickers. In the pocket there are also lanyards in 3 different colors, so you can like put it through this hole and, like, I don't know, do something with that. In the main compartment, Bitbox version 2 with USB-C mail port. As seen here, it's USB-C, not USB type A, so that's the smaller version of the USB family. I would say that's a good move, because like all the hardware is moving into USB-C, like all the laptops, notebooks, even some desktops, they already have USB-C support. So yeah, that's a good move. So comparing to the original Bitbox, it's much bigger, mostly because of the screen, and it just looks like a newer technology. Shift Crypto includes the 8GB SD card for encoded seed backup for every device, something what I would call convenient but not safe. And the last piece is the USB-A to female USB-C adapter for poor guys like me who own laptop from before 2017. It's really nice that they've included all the accessories like adapters and extensions and cables, which mitigates the security concerns when using some third-party providers, obviously. I really like the details around the packaging. Every new gadget inside is like unpacking some present, and it all fits nicely. The setup of this guy. First step after unpacking all the elements is to go to the website shiftcrypto.ch/start, where we can see a guide on what to do next. I'm on Windows machine, so I will download the installer for the desktop app and will install it in the background. Second step is to connect the Bitbox, but the desktop application will guide me from now on. Switching to desktop application. First step here is to make a firmware update. I would say regular firmware updates are crucial to the security of our devices, so it is important to do them regularly. It's nice that on Bitbox that's a mandatory step, as it should be in my opinion. It takes about half a minute to fully upgrade firmware before we can proceed. Next step is to arrange up or down on the screen and proceed with a single tap to start the setup process. There are no physical buttons. All actions are performed by touching the sides on the device or sliding in-out. It's super cool feature. In the next step, you have to compare the pairing code to see if your desktop app detects the real device. Then you have to name your device. Next step is super important. You are setting a password for your 24 words mnemonic, which will decode the mnemonic phrase into the seed. Seed is like your master key inside the hardware wallet. All the accounts, wallets, addresses are derivation of this one master seed, and it's crucial for recovery of your wallet. In this example, I am setting super simple password Tony because we are doing video, but of course in real life I would like to set it up properly. This password protects your seed mnemonic phrase, so even if someone knows your 24-word phrase without password, there would be no access. The process of setting this password is super simple using the touch display. I really like it, and of course don't lose the password, as you'll lose the access to your funds forever. So remembering your password or saving it in a secure place is super important when it's enforced, like in the Bitbox case, as other manufacturers have it optional, so you could encode your seed using password, but you don't have to. And in most cases you can just run with your 24-word seed unencoded and just in plain. So in Bitbox you have to remember the password. The next step is to insert the SD card, and honestly in my device it sucked a bit. I think there was some problem with my SD card slot as I tried to plug it in multiple times, and as on this video it's visible only when I succeeded, it was only once. I would blame it for the beta version device. Honestly, looking at the responses from other testers and early clients, only my device had this SD card fluke, so I'm not worried about it. But I would love Bitbox to do this step as an option. As right now it's mandatory. I'm not going to keep my seed in the form of original digital file on the SD card. I am using hardware devices stored in secure places, and after setting up my real wallet, I would probably format the SD card and, I don't know, cut it or destroy it completely, because I don't want my seed on the SD card, even in the password protected way. So Bitbox people, if you listen, there is nothing wrong with enforcing some steps on users, but I would like the expert mode, so some steps could be mandatory, some steps could be omitted by like a super user. So yeah, I'm a super user. That sounds cool. So after the successful setup and backup to SD card, I can see my dashboard now. Oh, Litecoin. Jeez. Okay, never mind. First step for me would be to save the 24 mnemonic word in some secure place. Mnemonic is a super cool concept introduced in BIP39. If you are interested more in this topic, I've created the video in which I'm programming BIP39 in Python and explaining its basic concepts. But mnemonic is just the human readable representation of a hexagonal code that is a master key to your addresses or accounts in a wallet. To see the mnemonic, I have to unlock it first with my password, so after typing it in, I see the list of words and can scroll through them using this touch slider, I would say. So personally, I would store these words in a backup device like CryptoSteel and hide it. Definitely do not hide it in your apartment, and if you have somebody you trust, give them some clues how to find the backup. Now, recently, people behind Trezor released a standard for Shamir Split that can be adapted for the hardware wallet, and it works on their Trezor T device. And I love the idea. So, would be nice if Bitbox could give their users the option to generate M of N schema, the shards, for splitting the seed into multiple shards. And yeah, I would really like this feature. Like new hardware wallets should have it implemented. I've played a bit in the Bitbox desktop application, setting up some additional accounts. Obviously, I removed Litecoin and Ethereum from a currency list. After that, I've decided to send myself some crypto, as this is one of the crucial processes for the hardware wallet. It has to be easy. There are still some hardware wallets on the market which don't show you the receiving address. So you have to trust your software that the address you see on the screen is really the one you want to send all your funds to. If it's a lot of Bitcoin, it becomes really stressful. So auditing the address on the device screen is crucial to the security, and I enjoy working on Bitbox because how easy it is on their device. I haven't explored all the options yet, but I'm really optimistic about this device. It's already added to the hardware wallet interface library, which provides easy connection between hardware wallets and the Bitcoin Core node. So you can run your Bitcoin Core and have the device like Bitbox version 2 plugged it in, and that's your wallet connected directly to the Bitcoin network. No intermediaries, you keep your keys. You search your like by yourself the Bitcoin chain, you are doing the transactions by yourself, everything is like done by you, so good option. Also, I'm very optimistic about the Shift Cryptosecurity team. They are moving fast and releasing new products, innovating the field. Especially, I can't wait till they release the Bitbox Base, Bitcoin Core and Lightning Network node with a touch screen. So there will be a screen and you can touch it and it will display you the Lightning Network stuff, like, that's super cool. So forget Casa and their white boxes from now, like, that's old stuff. Let's move further. Let's add huge screen on top of your Lightning Network node. Okay, but that's it for this video. I really like the Bitbox. From now on, I will start using it for some time as a daily driver. Maybe the team will look at my video and change a bit about the design of the desktop application, because some things should really be optional and some things maybe mandatory, but I would like the super user option, as I said. Maybe I can do the video about Bitbox Base if the guys from Shift Cryptosecurity will send me one with a discount, huge discount, because I'm poor, I don't have much Bitcoin, I don't have much fiat, I'm a very poor person, don't attack me, I'm not a honeypot. Anyway, yeah, if they will send me some stuff with a discount, I would love to see that, because they are doing great things in this field, as I said. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys are interested in videos like that, recently I did a similar video about the crypto steel capsule, so the hardware wallet. That means you are storing your mnemonic 24-word seed in it, and I created the video about their new product, crypto steel capsule. It's great, I like it so much. And also I'm doing some videos about programming Bitcoin in Python, Lightning Network stuff. So yeah, if you guys interested in things like that, look into my channel. You might find some videos that you will like, and maybe you will learn something new, because I'm trying to learn as I go and create videos about it as I go as well. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.